Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to share a card table publicly in Basecamp, right? So first up, log into your Basecamp account and open up the project and go ahead and find the card table section or tool. Okay, click on it. And then in here, just easily click on the three dots and you should be able to see a get a public link option, just like what is shown in here. Okay. That is possible if you have the paid account. If you don't have the paid account, or if you're only using the free version, well, unfortunately, you won't be able to have the get a public link option. Okay. Now click on get a public link. And then in here, you should be able to see a generate a shareable public link button. Just click on it. And then once done, just go ahead and click on copy to clipboard and send it to whoever you want. Now it says here, most of the tools will have view only access. All right. The only exception is to do or events. Okay. Now, if you want to revoke access, just go ahead and go back to the card table and just turn off the link. All right. Or basically revoke access. And by the way, public links allow folks to see your Basecamp work without project or account access. All right. That is how you share a card table publicly in Basecamp. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.